Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, I want to tell you what my 26 items are for my Jeep Gladiator. As you can see, right in front of you is my steering wheel, but it's not about the steering wheel. It's about the these right here. These are swivel knob steering wheel controllers. I have 4 of them, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And reason for them is to be able to turn the steering wheel without, getting a full grip on the steering wheel, as you can see, just like that. It's a swivel, so it floats on each side, as you can see. I have it on the bottom, and then I have it on the top. Reason for the top is to easily give the signals. There you go. All right, that's it. That's my 26 items for my Jeep. Stay tuned for more. Peace.